Hello everyone! Today I'm really excited because I am in my new home. This is the first video in my new home. I feel like it deserves a jig. A really weird little jig. Okay, I'm not meant to dance, so let's move on from that. Another thing I'm really excited about is sharing my truly quick and easy glowy skincare and makeup routine. And I want to say thank you to Naturally Serious for sponsoring this video because I've been using a couple of their products recently and really loving them. So this is my routine that I go through when I just don't want to spend a lot of time on my beauty routine, and I know this will make me feel good, it will make me feel like myself, and I'll also feel like I've taken care of myself. In real life, when I'm doing this just in my everyday existence, it takes me about 2 to 3 minutes for the skincare routine and then about 5 minutes for the makeup routine. So I can get through all of this in under 10 minutes. And if you follow me on Instagram, I posted a photo where I'm actually dressed very similarly to this. This look is very similar to that Instagram photo, except in the Instagram photo, I actually wasn't wearing any makeup except the lip color. So this is like a step up from that Instagram photo. Let's start off with washing my face. For cleanser, I have been using the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. This is one of my all-time favorites because it just removes makeup if I'm wearing makeup at the end of the day, but also in the morning it's really refreshing. So I like to use this dry on my face. I massage it in and then rinse it off with some warm water. Easy as that. Now that my face is clean, I'm gonna follow up with the Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence with a strand of tato fur on it. I really like using this because it helps any products that I put on afterwards absorb even more. And I just put a little bit in my hand like this, rub it together, and pat it on my skin. I also really love this because it has anti-pollution properties, and because I live in New York City, it's always a great thing to have. And I definitely notice a difference in my skin when I use it. Plus, I feel like it helps to build a really luminous complexion, which I also love. Oh, look who it is. The next thing I'm going to be using is the Naturally Serious Illumi-Nation Anti-Fatigue Power Serum, and this definitely is a power serum. Not syrup. Serum! I've been traveling a lot, so my brain's a little fried, which is why this is actually perfect. So this is a light pink color. It looks like this, and I'm actually gonna use a couple pumps of this. I love it because it has this light floral scent to it, which is amazing, especially if you're feeling just like tired and fatigued. And I definitely woke up today feeling that way. I feel like I'm still waking up. But I just put this all over my face, and I really love it because that light pink color has this natural darkening effect with the light. Another thing I really love about this serum, like a lot, is that there is no shimmer or sparkle in it. It really gives you a dewy complexion. So it's not a sparkly or glittery kind of glow. It really looks like a natural luminosity. And it absorbs really quickly. Like, that is in my skin now. And it creates this really lovely base for moisturizer over the top, and if you want to put makeup over the top, it works really well under makeup. And you can also use it over makeup too, which is cool. So if you want to add like a little extra glow on your cheekbones or wherever on your face, you can totally do that over your makeup. I also really appreciate that this comes in very opaque packaging, so there's no way that natural daylight is getting in here, because I feel like I've had a lot of products just go bad because the daylight has gotten to them and then they've just gone off. After the serum, I like to use a little bit of moisturizer. This is the Jullai Super 12 Bounce Oil and Cream. So I'm just gonna use a little bit, like pea-sized amount on my face. Plus all of the other products that I've used underneath are also really hydrating, so I don't need to go too crazy with it. What I really love is that I didn't have to use a ton of products and they all work together to create just a really natural looking glow and luminosity. My skin feels prepped and ready for the day. Now we're gonna get into the makeup, and I literally only have 5 products that I'm using today because this is the look that I do on a pretty regular basis. Like if I don't feel like putting on a full face of makeup or I'm not on camera, if I really just want to get on with my life but also feel really great, this is what I do. I'm gonna start off with my Chantecaille under eye brightener. Love this stuff. I wish it wasn't so expensive, but it is, and I cannot find anything else I like more because I just really like how thin it is and how brightening it is. It looks super natural, but it really brightens my under eye area. I will say I go through like maybe 1 or 2 every year, so it's not like it's something that I have to constantly be buying. It does last me a pretty long time. That's 1 product down, 4 to go. Next up, brows. I've been doing something new recently, which I'm weirdly excited about, and it's putting my brow gel on first before I fill in my brows. I am using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I've really been loving this because of the double-sided brush. It has longer bristles on one side and then short ones on the other side. So I use the long side to just kind of comb my brows out. And the reason why I do this is that I can get my brows into the shape that I want them, just like the general shape. I don't spend too long doing this. And then it makes it way easier for me to fill in my brows, and I use way less of the pencil. So it's faster, I'm using less product, and it's easier. There's the brow gel in my brows. I have to let it dry for a little bit. So while I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna use a little bit of a highlighter. This is the Flesh Pinky highlighter that I really, really love. This is a product that gives you a natural looking glow, and I typically just put this on my cheekbones here. It's super creamy and easy to use. It doesn't feel sticky on my face because I've definitely used highlighters before that feel like Elmer's glue stick. That's not the vibe I'm going for. And then I also like putting a little bit right on the inner corner of my eyes. And this isn't like a crazy glow or anything, but I feel like it immediately just lights up my face. It's like I have a light switch on inside of me and someone just like flicked on the lights and I have like a little glow coming out. Also put a little bit right here and then maybe just a little flick right there. Now I'm gonna use the Hourglass brow pencil. This is dark brunette. I'm barely using like any of this pencil. Like normally I would really just like go through my brows, but with this I can just really see what areas I want to fill in and just work with that. Okay. All right, so now that my brows are done, I'm going to finish off with my lips. This is Fresh Sugar in the City by Ingrid Nilsen. You may know her, but she's pretty cool, or at least she tries to be. I actually was wearing this with lipstick last night, so I'm just gonna swatch that. But this is the color, in case you're not familiar with it. I'm going for a more sheer look today, so I'm really just gonna pat this on my lips because I just want a sheer tint of color, which is one of the reasons why I love this so much, is that I can really go from barely there to really there. So this is the finished look. You may notice that I didn't curl my eyelashes or put on any mascara. I've gone through a journey with my eyelashes where I just always hated how I looked without uncurled eyelashes or any mascara on, and now I've grown to love how I look without mascara or curled eyelashes, and I feel like that is me embracing something that really is just a part of who I am. And so now when I do put on mascara, it's just for fun. I hope you enjoyed seeing my natural light going in and out this entire time. I hope you enjoyed seeing my truly quick and easy skincare and makeup routine when I just want a really glowy, natural look that I can do in under 10 minutes. So if you have any questions for me, leave them down below in the comments. And I just want to let you know that my podcast is still going. We're almost at the wrap up of season 1. So we would love it if you would listen to the podcast and also give us some feedback on season 1, because we're going to start working on season 2 for the beginning of 2020, which is really exciting. There will be a link down below where you can listen to the podcast. It is called One Step. You can search it wherever you listen to your podcast. It's bright and yellow, so you can't miss it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my future videos coming your way. I'll see you next time. Bye!